Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system.
Our tip for today is about how to make a virtual assistant client relationship successful. It's important to build and maintain good relationship to your client for sustainable business growth. Virtual assistants are professionals working remotely from home to bring food to the family's table and pay bills. It's not just a mere online job, it's a source of income that you need to protect. To maintain your livelihood, always make sure to have a good relationship with your client. Here are 5 tips to making that relationship successful. 1. Open communication. The most successful client relationships are the ones that has open communication. Your clients need to be able to get in touch with you, feel comfortable asking you questions, and in general feel like you're easy to reach and communicate with. 2. Ask for feedback. In order to do the best job possible to your client, you need to ask for feedback. But feedback isn't going to strengthen your relationship unless you actually take that feedback and use it to improve. 3. Never miss a deadline. Make sure to keep all deadlines. Never miss a single one. It's a smart plan to be early with every single project you have. Do this by working smart and planning ahead. 4. Make them happy. If you're not making your clients happy, it will be virtually impossible to forge long lasting relationships. Make sure to exceed their expectations whenever possible and demonstrate how you can become a valued extension of your clients' businesses. 5. Be trustworthy. Trust is a matter of value. A dependable and trustworthy VA is the one who is guided with conscience and values even if the client is not seeing him working or doing the tasks delegated to him. All right, I hope those tips will help you build a strong relationship with your clients.
That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.